Sometimes I wanna give up. Some things I can't give ya. With these words, paint a picture. It's your love, won't let me give up. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mario, and I am back with another mukbanger. Today we got a seafood boil. Snow crab legs. These right here. Got us some sausages. Right there, you guys. Got us an egg. Corn. Pretty much it, man. Some lemon on the side for a little zest. Mountain Dew. Homemade butter sauce. So yeah, y'all. Let's dig in. Let's get this stuff rolling. Try this butter. Yep. Yep. Fire. Steaming, y'all. It's steaming. So good. Let's try this egg. Saucy. My girl made this, y'all. She snapped. Get one of these legs going, y'all. So good. Man, so good. Fire. Perfect seasoning. What y'all eating today? October 3rd. October 3, y'all. Today's October 3rd. Can y'all believe that? Almost Halloween, then Christmas, Thanksgiving. Man. A lot of times, like New Year's. That's around the time of the year to get broke. Broke. All these holidays back to back. Back to back, back to back. Number money, 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 money spinning. Money, 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 money. Let's try this lemon on here, y'all. Yep. I got these crab legs from Walmart, y'all. Normally when I get them, they don't really have that much meat in them. they decent on the meat. Seem like so far. This is so good, y'all. If y'all new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on. I appreciate y'all for real. Hit that 1,000 mark. Look, it's so hollow. You can see the meat right here. There's no meat right there. See, sometimes they be skipping. They'll skimp you. Like, where's the meat going though? Where's the meat going? After when a crab die, do it lose meat? Like shit. For one, it already costs $1,000. Shit, fuck. Arm and a leg to get these boys. People that can eat this on a regular got money. This is not cheap. Not cheap at all. What y'all got going for the for this month? Any trick-or-treating, haunted houses, watching scary movies in the house with your loved ones, your significant other. What y'all got going? Yeah, I love corn, but when they get hit with that butter sauce, it hit different. That shit hit different. Real different. And my girl almost burnt crab legs up. Burnt my crab legs up. Lucky it didn't burn it. Because of the shell. But how the hell do you burn crab legs? Are you boiling them with no liquid in the pot? Okay. Y'all, this is so good. Y'all get a chance to make y'all some though. I did get a box of these. Walmart. I think about 30 bucks. Not bad. Got about 3 clusters in it. 30 bucks. Actually pretty cheap. It just don't come. I mean, you might get lucky, you get some with a lot of meat in it, but majority of the time, you're not getting that much meat. Everything be empty. Orange legs. Sure. Like, is they removing the meat and just selling the shell? You know what I'm saying? I'm good. you want to dress up the same for our Halloween this year, Bunny and Clyde or something. Y'all gonna be dressing up? Do y'all dress up? Yeah, these don't make no sense. I need to invest in the cracker thing. That sauce just do it. I love the sauce. Shout out to my girl. I taught her how to make it. Lost a horn. It's crack. So you can't hear them when you crack them like that. I mean, you cook them. Lost a horn. Crack. So you can't hear them when you crack them like that. I mean, you cook them too long. And they too soft. Cook them way too long. You want to be able to hear that crack. Yeah. Damn. Losing meat everywhere, y'all. That's where all the meat went, on the floor. Look at that, y'all. Make sure y'all like the video up. If you're new to the channel, you made it this far, please subscribe. Turn your notification bell on, you guys, so you won't miss any videos. I drop every day. Make sure y'all like the video up. If you're new to the channel, you made it this far, please subscribe. Turn your notification bell on, you guys. So you won't miss any videos. I drop every day. Woo. Well, that's it, you guys. My name is Martin Too Funny. Hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on so you can catch me in the next video. Peace.